The only way, the fastest way, and the most efficient way to learn Russian is revealed in my highlights bootcamp. Please go and watch these highlights if you are really interested in learning Russian language the right way. Welcome guys, this course is designated for those people who are just starting learning Russian for the first time. In this course we cover the alphabet, we cover the reading rules, and different styles of handwriting. So let's get started. The basic information that you have to know is that there are only 33 letters in the Russian alphabet. We have 10 vowels, we have 21 consonants, and we also have 2 signs, soft sign and hard sign. We have some good news and we also have some bad news. The good news are some letters are exactly the same as in English, but there are also some letters that don't exist in English or they sound a bit different. But no worries, it's not going to be difficult. The first 6 letters are your friends, and the reason for that is because they look the same and they sound almost the same as they do in English. Starting with the letter A like in father, A, mama, repeat after me, mama. The next letter is letter O, as in more, atom, atom. The next letter is the letter Y, just like Y in yes, комета, комета. The following letter is letter K, just like K in key, атака, атака. One more letter is letter M, like M in money, M, max, max. And the last letter here is letter T, but this T is almost the same as T in English, but it is very strong. Takt, takt. Next thing that I want you to do is to learn either cursive or print or even both of them. The reason for that is because some Russians prefer cursive and some Russians prefer to write in print. I personally like the second option. Now you see here we have different ways to write these letters. We have the uppercase and we have the lowercase, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can handwrite them. Starting with the letter A, this is the uppercase and this is the lowercase. Now the print version is always simpler, and as you can see here, the lowercase is exactly the same both in cursive and in print. The next letter is letter O, very simple, just a small circle, both for print and for cursive. The next letter is Y, the cursive, uppercase and smaller case, and now print, uppercase and lowercase. As you can see here, the lowercase is also the same as it was in A. Next letter is letter K. This was the uppercase and the lowercase. This is a bit complicated, but the print version saves the day. Very simple. Now letter M, the uppercase and the lowercase, they are the same. The lowercase is just smaller. And now the print version is just a bit different, but is also very easy. And the final letter is letter T, which is very strong. Remember this, T. The uppercase and the lowercase and the print version, which is almost the same as in English. Now another thing that I need to tell you is that we have some reading rules, and the first reading rule is that letter O sounds like O and is pronounced like O only when it is under stress, when the letter is stressed. Otherwise, O is pronounced like A. We have an example here. Окно. Окно. Because the second O is under stress and the first O is not under stress, the first O is A. Окно. The second reading rule refers to the first one and tells us that we have some borrowed words that remain the same pronunciation that they had in the language that they were borrowed from. For instance, radio, radio. Even though the letter O is not under stress, it is still pronounced as O because the word is borrowed. Radio. Now the last rule is that we usually read all the letters. For instance, ataca, tact, tact. We read all the letters. Now I want you to do a little exercise here with me. I will underline the word and you will read it and I will repeat after you. Mama, атом, комета, атака, Max, tact. Now this section with first 6 letters was very easy and very short, and that is why I also give you some additional exercises. First of all, you need to read all of these words and send me a voice message on DM in my Instagram. The next homework is to write all these letters 10 times each in cursive and in print, and also send me your results in my Instagram. I'm gonna see you at the next lesson.